Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, we're tackling a massive story that's shaking up the financial world, and it's all centered around Elon Musk. Musk isn't just running Tesla and SpaceX, he's making bold statements about the future of money, politics, and the global economy. In this video, we're going to unpack everything: how Musk returned to Tesla after leaving Trump's White House, why Tesla is holding a staggering $1.3 billion in Bitcoin, Musk's surprising involvement in politics, from supporting Trump's re-election to announcing plans for a Bitcoin-backed political party, and most importantly, his serious warning about the $37 trillion US debt, where he bluntly said, "We're toast. We're not just skimming headlines, we're going deep." We'll look at why Musk calls Bitcoin his only trusted cryptocurrency, what role crypto might play in protecting against debt and inflation, and how all of this could reshape the future of finance. So grab a coffee, settle in, and join us as we break down Elon Musk's latest warning, Tesla's Bitcoin bet, and what it all means for you, your money, and the world economy. Musk's current role and status. Elon Musk has recently shifted his focus back to Tesla after his short political involvement in Donald Trump's White House. Even though his government role was brief, Musk continues to dominate the headlines. He still ranks as one of the world's richest individuals, according to Forbes, and remains one of the most influential voices when it comes to technology, economics, and now, global finance. Tesla's Bitcoin holdings. One of the most striking parts of Musk's financial strategy is Tesla's position in cryptocurrency. Tesla holds about $1.3 billion worth of Bitcoin on its balance sheet, making it one of the largest corporate holders of Bitcoin in the world. Musk has repeatedly described Bitcoin as his only true cryptocurrency, setting it apart from the thousands of other digital assets. His decision to keep such a large amount of Bitcoin on Tesla's books signals his long-term belief that it's not just an investment, but a store of value that could protect against economic instability. Tesla's Bitcoin holdings. One of the most striking parts of Musk's financial strategy is Tesla's position in cryptocurrency. Tesla holds about $1.3 billion worth of Bitcoin on its balance sheet, making it one of the largest corporate holders of Bitcoin in the world. Musk has repeatedly described Bitcoin as his only true cryptocurrency, setting it apart from the thousands of other digital assets. His decision to keep such a large amount of Bitcoin on Tesla's books signals his long-term belief that it's not just an investment, but a store of value that could protect against economic instability. The $37 trillion debt warning. The biggest headline right now is Musk's warning about the U.S. national debt, which has ballooned to $37 trillion. Musk didn't sugarcoat his message. He warned that if the country continues down this path, we're toast. This warning highlights his belief that the government's level of borrowing and spending is completely unsustainable. If ignored, it could have dire consequences for the U.S. economy, the U.S. dollar's global status, and even international financial stability. The Bitcoin connection. Musk's criticism of government debt isn't just about pointing out problems. It ties directly into his support for Bitcoin. By consistently positioning Bitcoin as his preferred and only cryptocurrency, Musk suggests that it could act as a hedge against government mismanagement, inflation, and loss of confidence in traditional money. For Musk, Bitcoin is more than a speculative asset. It's a financial safety net in an uncertain future. Bitcoin as a hedge against inflation. One of the biggest reasons Musk trusts Bitcoin is its limited supply. Unlike the US dollar, which the government can print endlessly, Bitcoin is capped at 21 million coins. This scarcity gives it a unique advantage as a hedge against inflation. While the dollar loses value every time more money is printed to cover debt, Bitcoin's supply stays fixed, making it resistant to the same problem. Musk's warning about the U.S. debt indirectly supports this idea. If traditional currencies weaken, Bitcoin could become a reliable store of value. Bitcoin's role in Tesla's strategy. Tesla's decision to hold over $1.3 billion in Bitcoin isn't just symbolic. For a publicly traded company, keeping crypto on the balance sheet signals strong confidence in its long-term growth. Musk has even hinted that Tesla may accept Bitcoin payments again in the future, despite concerns over energy use. This shows that Bitcoin isn't just a side bet for Tesla, it's becoming part of its corporate strategy, and by extension, part of Musk's vision for financial independence. Bitcoin and the future of global finance. Musk's support for Bitcoin goes beyond just Tesla and his personal wealth. He often frames Bitcoin as part of a bigger financial revolution. In a world where government debt is spiraling and currencies are under pressure, Bitcoin offers a decentralized, borderless alternative. For Musk, this isn't just about protecting his company or investors. It's about reshaping how the global financial system works. If governments fail to manage their debt, Bitcoin could become the asset people turn to for trust and stability. Final conclusion. When we look at all of this together, Musk's return to Tesla, his political experiments, Tesla's billion-dollar Bitcoin bet, his warning on the $37 trillion U.S. debt, and his vision of Bitcoin as a safeguard, the message is clear. Musk believes the traditional system is heading toward crisis, and Bitcoin might be the lifeline. So the big question is, will Musk be proven right? Could Bitcoin actually serve as the hedge against debt and inflation he believes in, or will the global financial system continue to resist change? Either way, Musk has once again pushed the conversation forward about money, power, and the future of finance. And whether you agree with him or not, this debate is one that affects us all. And that brings us to the end of today's deep dive. We've explored Elon Musk's shocking 37 trillion U.S. debt warning, Tesla's massive Bitcoin holdings, his surprising political moves, and his belief that Bitcoin could be the key to protecting against a collapsing financial system. Whether you see Musk as a visionary or a risk-taker, one thing is certain. His voice is shaping the global conversation on money, power, and the future of finance. If you found this breakdown valuable, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next deep dive into the biggest stories shaping our world. And now we want to hear from you. Do you think Bitcoin can really serve as a solution to the U.S. debt crisis? Or is Elon Musk overstating the danger? Share your thoughts in the comments. We love hearing your perspectives. Thanks for watching, stay informed, and we'll see you in the next video.